You searched how to buy shares of ICICI Bank Ltd-ADR, and this short guide will walk you through the main steps. ICICI Bank Ltd-ADR is the ADR of a major Indian banking group, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker IBN. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar to type the ticker IBN and locate the listing for ICICI Bank Ltd-ADR. Make sure the exchange and ticker match the NASDAQ listing before opening the asset page. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker so you are on the correct ICICI Bank Ltd-ADR listing. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the platform link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.